Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel here, and welcome back to another video. So for today, we're actually going back over to James's house. The fitment video we did for his new bumper, well, he just got that back. He got it painted last night, so we're gonna head back over there, help him throw it on, and he got a couple new pieces for that to make just the overall aesthetics and appeal of that look a little bit better over stock. So we're gonna head over there and help him with that. But first, before we go over there, I wanted to let everybody know if anyone has a 15 to 23 Coyote, my Roush X pipe that I had here on my 22, is for sale. So if anyone is interested, shoot me a message. It's for sale. On that note, let's do a cold start, cue the intro, and pick this up back over at James's. Hey, Princess.
What's going on, man?
Alright, let's see. Oh, that looks good. That's a new girl?
Yes.
Ooh, I like it.
The bullet.
That looks...
It's a bullet grill without the chrome trim.
Yeah, that's gonna be clean.
Yeah.
Does it have the pony emblem?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Good. And you said you got the badges blocked out too, right?
Yeah.
So the guy who painted his bumper, he got his 5.0 badges blocked out like mine. So is that a wrap or is it paint?
That's paint.
That looks good.
Yeah. Because he's like, well, because he had to blend the paint from the bumper to the quarter panel.
Sure, yeah.
He's like, I may get some paint splatter on there, or he's like, would you want them painted like black or something to make a match? I was like, sure. He's like, yeah, I'll do it, no extra charge. Good. So I was like, heck yeah.
And so is that, he took them off and he just, is that red there? Is that
That's
paint?
the original
That's
red.
the original red?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that turned out good, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so as we're in the process of taking this off, James was saying if anyone here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, he specifically is in Irving, this will be for sale if anyone needs a factory OEM 18 to 23. This will be for sale. So if anyone's interested, drop a comment, let me know, and we'll get in touch here with James. And hopefully, if you're looking for one, it'll be yours.
It will need some repairs underneath the license plate. There's some ugliness hidden there.
Like paint, or is it cracked?
License plate holes.
Okay.
Stupid idiots that...
He's got these license plate holes under here, which is probably the reason why you haven't ever taken it off.
Yes.
I'm not a big fan of front license plates, so that would explain why he's always kept it on it. So, small minor repairs if you don't want to have a front license plate. Obviously, the guy has the holes in here. So, like I said, I don't really like the front plates, but this bumper will be for sale, and all this that comes along with it. So we are transferring all the lights here off, and this bottom grill piece goes on there. Obviously not the upper grill because you got the billet. Is that what it is?
Bullet.
Sorry, I meant to say, yeah, bullet. I don't know why I said that, but that, we're not reusing that, so this will come with it also as well. So James has these like extra small gloves, and my hands aren't gigantic, and they're so hard to put. I'm trying to hold the camera, that's why I can't show you, but these are just so
They're medium.
These are smaller than this. Is like a medium. I'm trying to get my hand in here, and it's Oh my god, they're makes my pants feel massive. They're just awkward. That's how you get the fit? Alright. Blow me. Do you know what might make this go by a little bit smoother? Beer.
Huh.
You got any?
No. I know. I suck.
Supposed to pay me in beer. Alright, so when you're using this bumper, this is from Steeder, correct? Now these are, so for your factory turn signal here, you got these itty bitty little screws. Well, the kit comes with longer ones right here. So don't reuse the factory ones. The kit will come with a whole separate one. Because I was trying to get this deal in here and I was trying to figure out why it wasn't threading well. Yeah. That's because
I was like, oh yeah.
You get
then I remember
a whole new set.
Oh yeah, we
right
got
there.
new stuff.
So keep that in mind when you're trying to. You can transfer and reuse a lot of stuff, but not these apparently. One thing I will say, comparing the factory lower here compared to the bullet front, it's like a nice, like shiny gloss. And then you got the factory. It's not even flat. It's just it doesn't have any shine or anything to it. So he's just trying to smuggle it in. But I was trying to point out the color difference between the nice bullet upper and the factory lower. So if anyone does get this, maybe do the upper and lower at the same time, so you know it matches. I'm a stickler for stuff like that. I like to have everything be matching, I guess you could say. So this little piece here connects the bumper to the car. James has the sprinkler on, so I'm gonna have James do this one on that side. I don't want to go wet. Alright, so all we have left to do now is James is putting on a new belly pan. There was a new pan that came with it, so that's what came on the car. He's just screwing up the bottom side of that, and then we're done. Like, this thing, most aftermarket bumpers, you have like some fitment, you know, it's not 100% accurate, but this thing, everything aligns good. Doesn't really seem like, I mean, that front lip though, man, I like it. It's very similar to stock, but like we did in the other video, it's more, it kind of flares out a lot more here on this side. Obviously, the front lip, I mean, that sticks out like another like 3 inches. And then he did the bullet black grill without the pony. I think that's looks super clean. My only thing is though, I wish, since that's a nice gloss black, I wish, not necessarily the front lip, but I wish this would match the gloss in the front. But other than that, I mean, super clean, super aggressive for stock-ish style, but it's definitely a step up over the stock one, which he's got right here. You can see it's not as aggressive here, and this one here, the lip kind of flares out here, and that's wider. So,
and it is for sale, reiterate.
Yeah, the factory bumper is for sale for anyone that is interested. So
if you need one, come get it.
Hit me up. It's the OEM bumper for 18 to 23. I told James, since he had him paint his 5.0 badges on the side, if he doesn't at least paint the roof, he should definitely do a black wrap on the front. Maybe black out the performance pack spoiler. and the badges. I think he said he's going to come back and he's going to do his rear GT badge, but I think he should do at least a wrap or paint a performance pack spoiler, and I think he should do on the roof too, at least with a wrap. All right, so I had to turn the car on to get a little more daylight because we're about to lose a little bit of daylight here, but just to get an overall perspective and a look of it. For the money that you spend, now you got this at a discounted price. It was about half, right?
Yeah, from a guy who's in the stable, Joe Clark.
These usually run MSRP about how much?
1300.
I said MSRP. All right, so I'm thinking car about $1,300 from Steeda, but it's made
by Air Design.
It's by Air Design, but you can purchase it on Steeda. I will put a link in the description again for anyone that has 18 to 23 that's interested in this bumper. I'll put a link. I think for what you get, it's a stock-ish. I mean, you could see mine right here. I mean, you could see it's just a little bit more aggressive. The front splitter, I mean, it's like twice as big. And then the sides that flare out on the side. So, you think it's worth the money?
Yeah, it gives it, like I said, it's stock looking.
Yeah.
But it's not as, the lines on yours are more sharp.
Right.
These are more flow. The
fact that you changed your grille to the bullet style grille, I think that by itself alone, it adds a lot more to it, to the blacked out image of it. If you kept the factory one with the chrome pony emblem, it would look all right. My opinion, I think I'm a big fan of the whole blackout thing. That's why I said I think you should block out the roof if you did even like a wrap, which is easier. Yeah. Probably doesn't cost as much as paint. Doesn't take as long. So drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I like it. I think it's a good investment. I didn't have a need to get a bumper, so I probably won't get something like that right now. He needed to, and it was better than just going over to a shop and have him redo everything with the paints and sanding everything down. He just said, you know what, I'll just get a whole new front end, and I think what he got worked out pretty well. But on that note, I'm going to go ahead and conclude this, wrap it up. If you guys are watching and you're not subscribed, please do me a favor as always, drop a comment and a like, and please hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Bye.